Good morning, my dear kids. Welcome to online EVS class. Today, we will learn a new chapter, Modes of Transport. But before we begin our chapter, first tell me how you go to the market. By car, bike, or you just walk. Or if you want to go for a vacation to another city to meet your cousin or friends, you use car, bus or train. Or suppose if you want to go to another country, you go by aeroplane or by ship. Going from one place to another is known as traveling. We can walk to places which are near or close, but to go to the places which are far away, we need to use vehicles such as bicycles, auto rickshaw, scooter, car, train, ship or aeroplane. These different ways of traveling from one place to another are also known as means of transport, and they are also known as vehicles. Now children, tell me, why do we need to travel? Because we don't get everything nearby, so to get them we travel from one place to another. For example, your parents go to office, you go to school or park, to go to hospital, shopping malls, market, relatives' houses, or to travel during vacations. Now, let us learn about the modes of transport. There are basically three modes of transport. Number one is land transport, water transport, and air transport. First, we will learn about land transport. Land transport are transports that run on land. The vehicles that runs on land. For example, bus, car, bicycle, school bus, ambulance, motorcycle, truck, jeep, tricycle, police car, tractor, taxi, and fire truck. These are the most common used land transports. Now there is one more, that is railways. Train is the fastest means of transport, and trains run on railway tracks. There are two types of trains. One is passenger trains that carry passengers from one place to another, and second is goods train that transports goods from one place to another. Now next is water transport. The vehicles that runs on water are known as water transport, such as boat, submarine, speedboat, and cargo ships. Cargo ships are used to transport big quantities of goods. Water transport is the slowest and cheapest means of transport. Now let us learn about the air transport. Air transport includes the vehicles that fly in the air. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon, rocket. So these are the few air transports. Air transport is the fastest and most expensive way of transportation. So now let's revise points to remember. Means of transport are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Means of transport are also called as vehicles. Bicycle, rickshaw, bus and train are means of land transport. Helicopters, rockets and airplanes are means of air transport. Boats, ships, submarines and steamers are means of water transport. Now let us revise through a small video.
We can travel on road by a car, bus, van, jeep, cycle, motorcycle, taxi, scooter. We can see many vehicles on the road, such as truck, lorry, ambulance, fire engine, police car. Train is a means of transport on land. It runs on a track. It is the most popular means of transport and is very well connected. A train is in charge of an engine driver. We can travel on water by a ship or boat. Boats are used to travel small distances. Small boats are used by the fishermen to catch fish. Before air travel was discovered, people used to travel by ships. But it takes a long time to travel by a ship. A captain is in charge of a ship. We can travel in air by an aeroplane or helicopter. A pilot flies a plane and a co-pilot assists him in flying. Air travel is the fastest mode of transport and is preferred by everyone. Helicopters are used to cover small distances. Aeroplanes are used to travel from one place to another within a short span of time. Rockets are used to go to space. astronauts travel by rockets to land on the moon. So, children, by using the different modes of transport, we can go from one place to another. It's fun, right? To go to Granny's place by train or just flying to your cousin's house. That's something that we really look forward to during the summer holidays.